Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send live record video on WhatsApp. So if you also want to send live record video on WhatsApp, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open WhatsApp application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here WhatsApp application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. Simply open the chat in which you want to send the live record video. Tap on that chat. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. So sending the live record video is actually very simple. Now over here at bottom you'll be able to see the message bar. Right next to the message bar you'll be able to find several icons over here. All you have to do is find the icon for camera. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to record the video. Right now photo is selected. At bottom you can see three options over here: video, photo, video note. Simply tap on the video option. Now from here you'll be able to record the video. You can also send the video from gallery if you want. For that what you have to do is tap on the gallery icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now from here you'll be able to send the video. Simply tap on the video that you want to send. After that tap on the right icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you'll be able to edit the video and send. In order to send it, simply tap on the send icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see over here the video has been sent. Or you can also record the video live and send it. For that simply tap on the camera icon. Tap on the video option that you can see right over here. Now after that you'll be able to record the live video. You can also flip the camera if you want. For that simply tap on the flip icon that you can see right over here on your screen. After that you'll be able to flip the camera front and back. In order to record the live, what you have to do is tap on the center circle button that you can see right over here on your screen. If you're done recording, simply tap on the stop recording icon. Now after that you can see over here the video has been recorded. You can edit the video if you want. You can also trim the video. Also you'll be able to add the stickers. Likewise you'll also be able to add the text. Also you'll be able to draw in this video. You can also add a caption if you want. Simply tap on the option add a caption. Now from here you'll be able to add the caption. Simply type in your message. After that tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the live record video has been sent. So that is how you send live record video on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.